I'm sure we've all been hearing about DeepSeek, DeepSeek that, DeepSeek AI, why the sudden, buzzword, and suddenly it crashed the whole stock market in the technical space. So I'll explain in a way that everyone can understand. When OpenAI came out, OpenAI is what a lot of people just call ChatGPT, but don't let us go into the technical nitty-gritty on that. So let's just say ChatGPT. When it came out in less than 30 minutes or so, we had almost like 1 million subscribers. They had downloaded it, they were using it. You ask it a question, you get a very quick response and all that. And then suddenly they started having a free version, and they were also having paid version. So I think the paid version is about $20, and some other cases it's like $200. Now, when you're using the free version, it sometimes can be slow. The response you get might not be the same way that you get for the the paid version and the higher price. Now, other companies, like other people who are integrating this OpenAI or ChatGPT into their system, they buy the API. So API simply means that, just imagine that somebody had taken several years to build a complete house. So rather than having to build your own house, you just go to that builder and take the entire design and they'll just give it to you, and it's easy for you to deploy. So what some company will do is that once they want to they just buy the API from ChatGPT and they integrate it into their system, and suddenly they have AI embedded in their systems, right? So they were making a whole lot of money. Now, there are infrastructures that are in place for all this ChatGPT or OpenAI to work. For it to process, they are like, just think about it as a machine that is currently running every single day and processing all those informations to make sure that whenever you ask for a prompt, you get the response the right time, the first time, the fast pace and all that. Suddenly, DeepSeek came in. Now, DeepSeek were like saying, no need to worry. The amount that you are paying for the likes of OpenAI, which is costing you $200 for a very faster prompt, we are going to make it free. And they came from China, they built it, and also in terms of the infrastructure that they used to build it, it was not that expensive as compared to the other OpenAI and other technological companies were using. So suddenly, that by default will crash the system. So if you're paying $200 for something, the same amount that you're using to pay $200 is now you're not getting that for free. So definitely it will crash the whole market and all. So hence the reason why you'll be seeing this buzzword, DeepSeek this, DeepSeek that, DeepSeek this. That's what really happens when newer technologies are coming up. They're trying not to be, in terms of monopoly and all, but I'm sure with time, everything will stabilize. If you really want to know more about all this, AI stuff, read the video I interviewed Dr. Yemi. He explained all the concept of AI. So enjoy the video and go watch it. And I hope now you understand what DeepSeek and all these buzzwords are all talking about. Thank you. I'm out.